So now before we actually get started, if you've not subscribed, I want you to actually subscribe, like, and also share this video if you find it helpful. You can also comment. I'll be watching out for it. Let's take a look at our USD JPY, starting with our daily time frame. On our daily time frame, as we zoom out, we are actually on an uptrend move. We can see it's uptrend move. Our daily time frame is actually giving us that bullish move. And guess what? We see that our price actually came to this area here, which is a key level area. We are seeing it came down, it also come up here, giving us a double top, right? Then we saw it come down and we broke above it. Once our price broke above it, guess what? We had our price came back to test this area, which means this is a key level area I've highlighted here. We once had it as a double top here, and now our price broke above it, come here to test this area. And once we see that bullish move right upward, uptrend, higher highs and higher lows, we saw that our price has actually come down to test this area again, which is another our testing of our key level area. We can see it once it it give us double top, also once our resistance level. Now this is our support level we are actually aiming it for. So what do we see on our USDJPY is that we are actually going bullish on our USDJPY. We will be having a bullish move on the 5th. Why is that? We can see I'll be highlighting here as a key level area here, where our price has actually come here to tap this area, pushes up, come here to tap this area. And now you can see that once we're having that bullish move, our price came here to give us a pullback, and we are expecting a bullish move again to break at least above this key level area, which we might be breaking it, on the 5th or on the 6th, but we don't know. But on the 5th, we will be expecting to open and close bullish on our USDJPY. So we are expecting an uptrend move on our USDJPY. But what we've gotten now is that we've actually had this two green candlestick upward and a retracement, right? We are expecting a bullish move again on our USDJPY. Now sit on our 4-hour time frame. We can see on our 4-hour time frame, we've had multiple breakout structure upward. You see it here, an impulse move, a correction here, an impulse move. Yeah, you see this correction here. I'll be taking it. So this level here, we've actually gotten this correction to this level here. We will be expecting a bullish move from this level here, which means our USD JPY will be going opening and closing bullish on our USDJPY. Now let's sit on our USD index. By the way, you can see on our daily time frame, this is actually a key level area where our price come here to tap here and it came down, come here to tap here and came down, serving as a resistance level. And once our price broke above it, it also came here to test this level here, right? So once our price now, then it gave us that bullish move. So it has now come down to test this our level, which was once our support level. When our price dropped to this level, we saw the bullish move upward. So which means this is our resistance level where our price has now come here to tap. And now we are having that uptrend move. We've actually have this bullish move, a retracement. We are now expecting a bullish move upward again on our USD index, which means once we start having that bullish move on our USD index, then we'll be seeing the bullish move on our USD JPY. Is exactly what we are expecting to see. Now we can also see it on our 4-hour time frame on our USD index. We can see multiple breakout structure upward, an impulse move here. We can see the correction, an impulse move here, also a correction, which means as we are having multiple breakout structure upward, this is that's it on our 4-hour time frame. That means we are actually going uptrend. We are aiming to take a buy on our anytime if you are having the movements on our 4-hour time frame. So now we can see that our price has now come down to test this area here, getting to this our key level. We are expecting a bullish move again on our 4-hour time frame on this our USD index, which means our USD to our JPY will give us that bullish move.